back to my channel. So this one is a surprise podcast for you. My friends Priyal and Aarti. We are doing a chit chat podcast with you guys, and it's a surprise podcast. So let's do it. By the way, we have been together since 18 plus years. So how was it, girls?
Long way to go, I think.
For you? What is this?
Roller coaster.
For me, it's also a roller
I think
coaster.
our journey was from this to this. Don't you think so, guys?
Yeah.
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 From this to this.
It's an aeroplane.
Now we are flying. Now we are flying.
Cloud9. Okay.
See, we are already having fun. Let's do it. Ta-da! Guys, we are having a conversation about self-love. हम बस एक दूसरे से बातें कर रहे थे, so why not to share it with you guys? So we have a plan and we are here in front of you. So let's do it, girls. Let's start it. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask you a few questions related to self-love. You will have to give your opinion about self-love. So let's do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Our first question is, at what age you girls realize self-love is important first?
For me, it's like after school and college.
Okay.
Like in between that, after completing
think-
my school.
I think after adulthood, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically that
After
thing.
adulthood.
That we
For me
realize.
also.
Yeah.
बचपन में तो हमें नहीं पता होता
Of
what is
course.
self love.
Exactly. We are unaware basically
we are-
at that point.
हाँ, हम लाइक बचपन में बहुत इन्वॉल्व होते हैं हमारी एक्टिविटीज में. जब हम एडल्टहुड हिट करते हैं तो देन वी रियलाइज वी नीड अ सेल्फ लव.
Like after
Therapy.
getting into social media, that thing triggers us. है ना?
Maybe.
We start comparing ourselves.
Yeah.
बहुत लोगों से.
That's when self-love is important.
I feel like right now most people, mostly girls, because we are girls and we are talking about girls. So I feel like right now also some girls are not aware of self-love.
Of course.
I agree because most of the girls are comparing their lives with other
Others.
people's life most of the time. That is why they are not focusing on their lives,
True.
which should not be done basically. One should focus in her or his life, I guess.
Every girl, people used to make fun of some or the other
Yeah.
thing. Flaws.
या बाउंड्री सेट होती है पहले से
Yeah.
कि इसके बाहर तुमको नहीं जाना है.
And as you said, after social media, the things are like more like that. That people have started comparing each other's life. In social
Point.
media, is very easy to start comparing with lives. You know.
There are only few जो के इंस्पायर करते हैं.
Yeah, there are few content creators जो हमें इंस्पायर भी करते हैं and I feel like scrolling is also a self love doubt. कभी कभी हमें आ जाता है.
Point.
हाँ. So it's depend on ourselves कि how we take it. Social media. One more point. I feel like कि आजकल ना जो छोटी उम्र की लड़कियां भी है ना वो ज्यादा सहमी हुई हैं comparatively. How? Because when we are children, we are like in our class 7th or 6th or 8th, we are so free, full confident. And अब तुम देखोगे class 6, 7th, 8th की लड़कियां, they are most
Conscious about their looks.
Yeah, how they are feeling, how they are looking, how people look them.
Agreed.
है ना?
Point.
I think the reason behind this is social media again, which
Yeah.
Aarti mentioned.
Yeah.
Is social media have changed people's life. They are started comparing their life and they are not focusing on their life.
Everyone wants to show their like pretty side.
Pretty side.
उसमें. But
Yeah.
reality
It's
kicks
totally different.
Be in reality, girls, because reality and social media, they're completely different, opposite.
Like accept yourself the way you are. That is the main point of
This is the only
self-love.
point. Only point.
Exactly.
Accepting yourself is the only point.
Every flaws.
I
You
feel
have
like
to flaunt it.
flaws are more attractive than perfection for me
Yeah,
because
yeah.
you're unique.
That
course.
make you unique.
Of
Yeah,
course.
correct.
Yeah. Look at us.
Pretty.
Pretty, but we have flaws.
This reminds me of some beautiful song, which is Scars, You're Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Oh, what's
I love
the
that
lyrics,
song.
guys?
I love that song.
There's a place
Yeah.
you should know
You're
you're beautiful just the way you are.
Oh my
You
god.
don't have to change a thing, the world to change your heart. No scars to your beautiful.
We are
So, yeah.
singers also.
She is actually.
We are also.
Guys, I think self-love is somewhere connected to confidence. What do you guys think about it?
It is, I guess.
Yeah,
How
it
but?
is. How when you see a person, one is full of self-love and one is
Confident and
less
underconfident. Like,
हाँ
है ना?
वो रिफर कर सकते हैं.
तो you can see by their personalities के मतलब कोई कैसे अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर रहा है.
Okay.
है ना? तो seeing someone जो self aware होगा.
You can see them in faces.
हाँ.
Basically,
शक्ल में दिख
true
जाता है.
energy.
Of course मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
हाँ, करीना कपूर.
मैं अपनी favorite.
Like कोई ऐसे खुद को प्रेजेंट करेगा. They will have that thing in their body language, their talk, walk, everything.
हाँ, किसी के एक वॉक से भी हम जान सकते हैं कि how confident she or he is.
And how aware he or she is about self-love, right?
Of course, because they don't need any validation. किसी से.
Yeah, because they are
Correct.
enough.
हाँ. कि
Like
जो
us.
अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होगा कैन सी उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज.
झुक झुक के चलेगा.
ऑफ कोर्स. एंड वो सारी चीजों से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने में डरेगा इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड.
अपना
I
ओपिनियन
guess.
देने से
हाँ.
डरेगा. Because they are not aware.
So that's why self love
is important and one should be
That-
self-aware about it.
हम कैसे उनको बता सके कि like have confidence in yourself. ये कैसे
किसी
हम
में.
बताएं.
By loving yourself, simple.
बट वो चीज भी नहीं आती ना मतलब तुरंत अगर तुम देखो तो.
It takes time.
It
of
takes
course.
time, efforts. Yeah, it takes time.
And there are a lot of practices as well.
Exactly. Like
I feel like
you have
every
to-
day, little baby steps.
you have to find your comfort space
With
जहाँ
yourself.
हाँ जहाँ पे तुम ये चीज प्रैक्टिस कर सको. बिकॉज सोशल मीडिया ये सब चीजों में हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजें देखते हैं कि इससे ये करने से ये होगा. ये करो वो करो. बट कौन सी चीज तुमको कंफर्ट दे रही है वो चीज भी.
I think ये सब में one should spend time with your oneself. I
Agree.
think
Agree.
then only you can explore things about yourself.
Give yourself.
How one should practice self love.
I think spending time with yourself, like going to cafes, random cafes, coffee dates, like go all alone and think what you want to do, what
Like
you want to
enjoying
not
our
do.
own company.
In short, distance yourself from people or from your work.
True that.
Yeah, or I feel like distance yourself from negative people.
सबके अलग अलग ऐसी होती है
Yeah.
जो कंफर्ट देती है.
Yeah.
तुम लोग के लिए क्या चीज है मतलब तुम लोग ने क्या ऐसा किया जिससे या करते हो अभी भी जो सेल्फ लव से तुमको ऐसे अवेयर कराता है.
I feel like affirmation
ओके.
is
राइटिंग
for
दैट.
me. Writing affirmation and reading books. Sometimes cooking also for you.
I'll choose coffee dates or random cafes
Going
and
out.
exploring. Yeah,
Exploring,
going out
okay.
and spending
Alone,
time. Yeah,
alone or what?
and spending time with me to think what can I do further.
स्पेंडिंग टाइम लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक. टेरेस में जाना.
I love that.
That's therapy.
That is expensive therapy one should do.
लाइक दैट इज सो गुड.
People are giving lakhs and thousands for therapies, but these are the simplest you should follow.
Start talking to yourself. I feel like you don't need anyone after that. You don't need that के हाँ मुझे.
TED talk with yourself.
True.
है ना?
Not just in shower.
Yeah, in front of the mirror. be yourself.
या
आप जैसे हो वैसा ही रहोगे ना तो
वैसे ही दिखो, मतलब
हाँ तो भी आप में लाइक सेल्फ लव दिखेगा that no
I think more importantly, love yourself.
yeah we are messing around but this is the main
Main
thing.
thing.
Loving yourself is the important thing.
And there are many other ways people should explore their lives.
Agree. सबके अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं
Correct.
सेल्फ लव डील करने के. हमने अपना पुट करा है. व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक? आपके क्या क्या सेल्फ लव थेरेपीज है? यू कैन कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड let us know. Girls, what do you think? Which character
ओके
you inspired a lot? Character, I can say any cartoons, movies or series.
यू से फर्स्ट.
No, you say first.
For me, I think it's Geet from Jab We Met. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
हाय हाय क्या बात है.
How about you, Aarti?
For me, it's the Gossip Girl series.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh
Hey Upper East Siders, Gossip Girl here.
God, that Blair World of energy.
I love the outfits.
Oh,
Every outfit.
so good, so good. You can have it. Krita Vastram promotion.
Guys, Krita Vastram is an Indian brand, by the way.
Shop now.
20% off.
link is in bio. What about you, Apeksha? What's your favorite character?
For me, Sinchan.
अरे तारीफ करने के लिए शुक्रिया कसम.
Do it, do it. Do it. I love Sinchan personally.
सेल्फ लव का भंडार है भाई.
सच में यार, खुद से प्यार करता है ना, उसको किसी की टेंशन है, खुद के खुद डिसीजन लेता है.
Chen lovers comment down
बिलो. कौन सा सॉन्ग ज्यादा तुमको पसंद है, लाइक इंस्पायर करता है? क्योंकि people generally love music more than watching something. They want to hear something when they feel low.
Go first, Aarti.
What do you feel like?
there are a lot of songs music you will
Mostly.
find. हाँ बहुत सारे हैं but few जो अभी मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है वो है Who Says by Selena Gomez.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful
It's a
song.
lovely song, agree.
Yeah, self motivation.
What about
For
you?
For me, it's Garbaz.
Yeah, hello.
It always boosts me up. And I love hearing Garba and playing as well.
Dakla.
डाकला भाई. डाकला के सारे प्लेलिस्ट
Yeah,
अच्छे
I
हैं.
love it.
Bhajans
And
also
few bhajans
boost our
as well.
energy.
They inspired a lot. They are so inspiring.
Yeah. आदित्य गढ़वी.
Yeah. Legend.
Legend.
Top right now.
Yeah, भजन भी अच्छे हैं उसके.
What about you?
For me, Unstoppable. I love Unstoppable song. Whenever I feel low, मैं वही सुनती हूँ.
I knew it. This is coming.
Yeah, because of course you're my friend. You know it. Aarti, don't search it.
अबे नहीं नहीं एक मस्त था पता है एक्चुअली उसके लिरिक्स बहुत अच्छे थे वो मैं एक बार देख रही हूँ.
नंद जीना लाल. And it's the last question, you guys. So, shall I ask?
Yeah.
जल्दी खत्म
Do we
कर.
have any other option?
No.
I know you girls are very in a hurry to wind this up because we are very hungry. We want to eat something. Yes, we are. I know how people gone mad when they are hungry. We are behaving. Let's behave, girls.
The question is, what is the positive changes you see in yourself in past few years?
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm feeling more confident,
Now.
which I was not in previous years, I think.
Okay.
you went out,
Yeah.
you stayed alone.
Yeah.
See, you tried every like therapies,
Yeah. Every.
and now you are here.
Ta-da!
Basically, I spend a lot of time with myself,
Yeah.
and
You
which
lived
helped me out.
alone.
Yeah.
So it's a huge thing for
Especially you
like
lived
more than a
alone.
year, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hats off, man.
It has taught me a lot of things there, and I'm way much more confident
Right
Than
now.
before.
than before. Yeah.
And
Yeah, we
past
can
years.
see the change.
We can see the change. Seriously, we are the living example. We can see the change. See the glow.
Come on.
See the glow, man. This is how we're fixing Isha.
Aarti, what do you think?
For me, it's like past few years have been like a lot in my life. I have gone through a lot, so
Yeah.
it's like accepting every situation I've been through and I'm dealing with. So
You're a warrior, Aarti.
so that's it. Like accepting every situation and still having that confidence to embrace it.
Yeah.
That smile, that living. That's it. Not being sad, actually, basically.
Yeah, you're flaunting every situation.
You go, girl. You go, girl.
Go ball. Poo energy.
Everywhere.
Yeah. मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
And how about you, Apeksha?
For me, I feel like I'm very underconfident.
Why do you think so?
Before.
I am, because I'm not putting my opinion. But right now, I have my opinion in everything which I see and when I meet people. Before I
Started putting it.
I'm started putting it, because right now I'm very confident. Before I was not, and self-love helps me.
Basically, पहले हम सुन लेते थे,
सुन लेते थे,
है ना?
I'm get
अब-
underconfident.
अब लोगों की
Because what people are thinking of ourselves, हम कुछ ज्यादा ही मैं अपनी कुछ ज्यादा ही अपने आप में ले लेती थी, and it's not good for me.
अब तो कह के ले लेते हैं.
हाँ, अब तो बोल देते हैं कि
That is good.
और हमें सीखना भी चाहिए कि
If someone is hating us,
yeah,
let them do the.
no, reply them back in your way. For me, it's like I am more confident right now. In past few years, I was not. So, girls,
Start loving yourself.
embrace yourself.
Be confident.
And see how your life changes.
हमारे लिए